Guys, this is the Huawei P Smart 2019. This is the first model of Huawei uh, from 2019. So it comes with Android Pie, powerful hardware, big display, great battery life, and uh, very good price. It's around $215. So go ahead. So this one is black variant of midnight black of the Huawei P Smart 2019. So it has a 64 gigabytes of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. There is no 4 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes of this model. It's only has a 3 GB of RAM. So anyway, I'm going to open the box. Wow, it's a pretty light device. Okay, let's see box. There are user guides and warranty card here. On this card board we have a SIM ejection tool, as you can see. So this model supports the fast charging. You can fast charge your device for around 1 hour and 30 minutes at full percent. So it has a micro USB port. There is no USB Type-C and 3.5 headphone jack. Headphones with a microphone. So and here is the phone. It's a water drop display, 6.21 inch IPS display with 1080 by 2340 resolution. So on the back side there is two cameras, a 12 megapixel of main sensor and depth sensor of 2 megapixel, a camera with LED flashes. There is a fingerprint scanner on the left side. There is nothing. At the top we have micro SD and SIM slots, noise cancellation microphone. On the right side is the volume buttons, power button, speaker, USB port, microphone and a headphone jack. So it comes with Android Pie, as I said. So what about hardware? There is a octa-core Cupid uh, Kirin Huawei processor with 3 GB of RAM, powerful GPU, 3400 mAh battery, lithium polymer. It has a good battery life for sure. Huawei has own user interface of Android. It has a MUI on Android version. As you can see, Android version of 9. Kirin processor 710, 3 GB of RAM. It's around 54 GB of user memory. Internal storage available. So uh, it has a NFC too. Okay, so Huawei uh, random changeable wallpaper is good, and future. Yes, there are the Thames. Some inbuilt apps pre-installed. As you can see, it's running very smooth and fast. Snaps from camera with flash and without flash. It has a good camera according to this price. So I forgot for the front facing camera, it's 5 megapixel or 8 megapixel, it depends on the market. So there is a core variant of back, sapphire blue, coral red, and some other color. So guys, hope you enjoy my video. You can subscribe to my channel, like video, and see you soon. Bye.